Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete shortcuts on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Snapchat application right here. And as you're on the camera page, let's just take a random photo or snap just to access our shortcuts. And from here, just click on the Send To option at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you should be able to see the list of your friends as well as the shortcuts you have made right below the search bar. So I have one shortcut right here with a grape emoji. And what we're going to do is to click on this shortcuts option right in line with that emoji. So there's shortcuts right here. After you have selected that, just click on the specific shortcut that you want to delete. So I'm going to delete this one. And at the top right corner, you should be able to see the trash icon. So that is a button that we're going to tap on. Just click on that, and this window will pop up to confirm your decision. So it would say delete shortcut. Would you like to delete this shortcut? So just click on yes, delete this shortcut if you want to confirm that. And the shortcut should already be deleted, and you can just create a shortcut if you want to create a new one, and that is how you can basically delete shortcuts on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.